Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I've been working on this car all day doing little things such as like an oil change. I'm about to do these side skirts and that's why you guys are here. So I went ahead and pulled off my old ones. If you guys watched the installation video, kind of like installation review video, I did get some pretty cheap side skirts that actually looked pretty decent, not gonna lie. But went ahead and got some upgraded ones. They cost a little bit more, not too much. There will be links in the description down below so you guys can go pick those up on Amazon. But let's go ahead and get started with kind of cleaning up the residue and a lot of the dirt from the old side skirts, but then we're going to be installing the new ones. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so I just went ahead and laid down the side skirt so I can see kind of the fitment of it. And as you see, there are these like tabs that kind of stick up all the way down. However, this second one right here is actually, I don't want to say problematic, but it's not going to be very beneficial. Let me get my light set up here and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So you see right here, this triangle represents the jack point, which is this giant plate right here. And the way this comes up would kind of sit right in front and cover up where my jack point is. So what I'm going to do with this is pretty much take a hacksaw and I'm going to cut off this entire tab right here that sticks out from here. So I'm going to go all the way across, cut it off. So when the side skirt is on the car, I can still be able to go under it and kind of past it and be able to get up to my jack point. And then when it comes to the back side, it's pretty much the same way, except like right here is pretty much from there to there is where the jack point is. So I'm going to take the hacksaw, bring it up about halfway, and then cut out a little chunk just so that I'm not going to be blocking my jack points, because I do maintenance on this car and I do want to still be able to like raise it up, do an oil change and stuff like that, even while I have these side skirts on. All right guys, so I ended up using like my Ryobi reciprocating saw to be able to cut this. But as you can see right here, went ahead and cut out some of that one right there, and then come all the way to the front, and I just completely cut off that entire tab. And now I'll be able to still access my two jack points without any complications. I still have to deal with like a little bit of side skirt. But yeah, it might not be pretty, but that's going to all be under the car. This is going to be on the outside that sticks out. So I don't really care if that's a little wavy or not. I don't care if that's like a little imperfect. So now we're going to go ahead and get this cleaned up with alcohol. I'm going to go ahead and stick on the 3M tape on the bottom of the car, and then go ahead and be able to stick that on. And then after we stick it in place, then I'm going to go through and hit it with some screws. All right, so I'm going ahead and doing like a little test fit right now, getting it lined up, seeing exactly where I need to have it. But if you did notice, I do have some green tape, and that green tape actually marks off kind of like where there's different little sections underneath. Because if you remember where I showed you, there's a huge gap right here where the jack point is, and then there's like solid pieces that kind of go back. So that's going to be where the 3M tape is. Also where I'm going to be able to put some screws, and I'll know exactly where to put those screws up. All right, so now that the side skirt is officially like 3M'd on, I think it looks absolutely amazing. We got the rear spat right there, and it matches right here with the side skirt. And then you can kind of see where it flares out a little bit right there. I think it looks absolutely amazing. Like I said, these two right here now kind of match and look really good. The car looks like it's been lowered just by adding a nicer side skirt on there. But I think it looks so good, especially like I said, that front piece, the way the body kind of dips in and that kind of comes out. But I think it looks absolutely amazing here. So now all I'm going to do is go ahead and take my drill with this flexible attachments. So essentially I can lay the drill down on its side and be able to bend this up and screw up under the edge, pretty much where I have the masking tape. So I do highly suggest putting masking tape or some kind of a marker so you know exactly where those little pieces are where you can screw into. So I'm going to go ahead and screw this into place, and then this side will be done, and then I'll go ahead and knock out the other side. This looks absolutely amazing in my opinion, and it looks way better than these kind of like generic ones. But like I said, these were super cheap and these were fairly priced. I did not go with carbon fiber because I wanted to have a gloss black in the front, and I matched that gloss black all the way around. Link in the description down below if you guys want to pick up this side skirt. To me, it looks so good and really follows the body line so well, and is nice and heavy duty. But if you guys like this video, definitely go down and hit that like button down below. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this with my Lexus 3IS. But if this video did help you guys out, let me know in the comments down below Also, link in description down below for all the different tools I use, the 3M VHB tape, and all that good stuff. But like, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.